Hello and welcome back to Universe Sandbox 2. It's been quite a while and we're on Twitch and we're going to have the viewers tell me what to do to poor Earth. So let's quickly get into a new simulation. Let's plop Earth down and you guys can choose whether or not Earth survives or not. We're going to put Twitch... we're going to put the fate of Earth into Twitch's hands. There we go. That's a proper way to say it. So what are we doing? What is order number 1? You guys have complete power. Okay, destroy it is not specific enough, and you're a terrible person. Make a stable binary Earth orbit. Yes. Okay, so first, I guess we're making a second planet for humanity to survive on. There we go. We've got our stable double Earth orbit now. Dual Earth. Without killing everyone is not dead. Now there's a very interesting day-night cycle where whenever one Earth passes by the other one, it leaves a giant shadow. Pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. Let's see. What else? Throw the sun into the Earth. No, that's boring. We can't just destroy them instantly. Make one Earth a bit colder and the other a bit hotter. Okay, so I guess you just move to whichever Earth you prefer the temperature of. Guess that makes sense. Let's just drop the surface temperature by like... Drop this one to average at like 8 degrees Celsius. Very cold. And this one we're going to raise by about the same amount. We'll bring this one up to like 16, 17. There we go, 18. That works. Oh, yikes, polar ice caps. But who cares about them? Look at that. Now we've got warm Earth and cold Earth. Spin one Earth really fast. I will go ahead and spin one of them really fast. How fast is really fast? Do you mean like really, really fast? Because we can go really, really fast. Okay, where is rotation? Rotational period, 1 second. The day is now 1 second long. Okay, fantastic. Spin the warm one. Oh, yeah, I did spin the warm one. Great. More kinetic energy. Make one Earth really dense. Okay. Sure. Overview. Density. I like how we're like juggling Earths. So the radius is going to change, but density is going to increase. Or radius is going to decrease. Now the shadow of one of the Earths is actually like enough to blot out the entirety of the other one. And the other one barely even puts a shadow on the larger one, the cold one. Okay, so the warmer, smaller, faster spinning Earth is now very small. It leaves a little shadow on Earth, and it gets 2 nights, one when the sun is on the other side, and one when big Earth passes by it. That's pretty intense. Make one super undense. Okay, I guess. I mean, at some point they're gonna hit each other if the radius keeps changing, but that's okay. So we're going to decrease the density of this one, which is gonna cause it to grow. Not in mass, only in radius. Add a moon to which one? Because this is kind of a moon now. Add a moon to each. I don't know if I can. I can try, but there's like an 80% chance it's going to end horribly. You know, let's do it. Let's see if it ends horribly. Let's give the big one the moon first, because I feel like that one's going to be more challenging. I mean, the small one's going to be more challenging, and I'd rather have one working properly than none. So let's see. We do like slow things down. So the rush limit doesn't kick in. Okay. Is it ripping apart the moon, or is it just stable? Oh, wow. Okay, we have destabilized things. We have, in fact, destabilized things. Yeah, it looks like the moon kind of got in the way. That's not a good idea. We're gonna try putting one on the little one. See how that goes. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh yikes, the cold Earth isn't very cold anymore. Oh jeez. Oh boy. Oh, we have casualties. Twitch, what have you done? We have mass casualties. Oh god, right on China. No, China, no! Oh, that's pretty intense. Thankfully, the Earth was expanded to the point where the moon isn't really that big in comparison anymore, but the mass and energy of the collision are still the same. Oh man, the crater's smaller though. Oh boy. And other Earth is just watching in the background, spinning around really quickly. Oh jeez. Wait, is Earth going to survive this? Is there any chance that the new radius of the Earth is going to prevent... Wait a second, it survived! Guys! Earth survived the moon crashing into it because of its decreased density. The Earth kind of just, like, ate it. Like, soft, like, putty. It just wrapped around it and engulfed it. I mean, China's not looking very good, but it looks like because of the changes we made, Earth actually ended up surviving, or cold Earth at least. That's pretty intense. That is very intense. China is now a giant crater though. There goes a lot of made in China stickers. Oh no! Oh no, the heat finally caught up to it. Oh jeez. Oh, 217 degrees Celsius. That's not like melt the rock of the Earth hot. But oh, if you're living in the lowest trenches in the ocean, you may have survived. And the water's slowly coming back, and life's going to slowly come back. Okay, so this Earth is now recovering. It should be green in a few seconds. Oh, I see a little bit of green coming back. Okay. Things are looking better. Great. Oh, the surface temperature is going back up again. Oh, geez, it looks like that impact has brought Earth closer to Earth 2, and the Roche limit is killing them both. They're getting closer. Oh, no. It looks like the orbit's unstable. They're getting closer together and spinning faster and faster. Oh my god. The amount of heat they're generating. It looks like that Earth actually got its water back. But this one is just being slowly ripped apart. It's no longer really a safe binary system. Oh, never mind. Well, for a second it was. For a second it was fine again. These Earths really just can't decide what they want to be. It would only take something very slight. It would only take something very, very slight to knock everything off. And someone suggested a pyramid. So let's throw the Pyramid of Giza at this Earth in the direction of the other Earth and see if it's enough to knock it off balance. Actually, it's gonna need to be it. We're gonna increase the size of the pyramid a little bit. There we are. Zoom in. Let's increase the mass so that it's the mass of like something like, let's do like 0.01 moon. 100th of the moon. Okay, that's a large pyramid. That's a very large pyramid. Light speed? I mean, that's kind of brutal, isn't it? I think that'll just make this Earth fling out of the universe, which isn't really what we want. I think this on its own is going to do quite a bit. I mean, Earth is spinning so quickly that even though it's Earth versus just a slightly large pyramid, it's... Oh, the damage. Okay, as I said, because it's spinning so quickly, it's going to just rip right through Earth. It's going to rip a line through it. And it's going to be very, very brutal. Oh, God. Look at it. It's absolutely horrific, the amount of damage. This is what you guys have made. This is what you've created. Death. Death and destruction for all. Okay, well, it could be worse! Oh no, it couldn't. It really couldn't be worse. The Earth is being vaporized. Oh jeez. Oh god, there goes the atmosphere and all the water. Hey, the other Earth is actually going to take it. That's interesting. Oh, maybe not. Maybe that's too hot too. Yikes. That was a no bueno situation. Oh no. Oh no, it's really not looking good now. It's just like it is actually being annihilated. I thought it was only off-gassing like its atmosphere and ocean, but it would appear that it is just throwing everything away. The actual rock itself is being vaporized. And it's shrinking. It's losing mass. Guys, this is not good. This is really quite bad. I think this may be the end of Hot Earth, which is still Hot Earth, actually, in comparison, which is why it's being vaporized slowly. Let's see the mass of the Earth. It's still one Earth, so I guess not that much has been expelled yet. It's just shooting atmosphere out. I guess it didn't dissolve any rock. Okay, so that's fine, as long as the rock isn't being vaporized. But it looks like it's just so hot from how close it is to the other Earth. The pressure of gravity on it's just really insane. It's just shooting out everything. Jeez. Is it gonna have any water or atmosphere left by the time it's done? There's the percentages. 0.03 and 0.00. Yeah, all the gas is gone. Earth is not looking good. It's kind of vomiting up everything it has. Let's decrease the orbital, or let's just decrease the just general velocity of Earth. Let's cut it in half, and what that's going to do is it's going to bring it closer to main Earth, or big Earth. Oh, a little bit too close, I guess. I wasn't planning on it going that far, but it did. That's okay. Everything's fine. I'm sure nothing's going to die. And Ice Age. And I guess that's how it ends. Earth as a big icy, well, just as an ice cube. Guys, do we have any creative solutions to this issue of Earth being an ice cube? Oh, and now this one's spinning really fast because the other one rotated on it. The gears. Okay. Add a giant sun. Sure, we'll add like a star that's way too large for this purpose. There we go. We'll add Betelgeuse. And we'll go over to Earth. I mean, it's really going to warm it up. And we're going to go to Earth, and we're going to go to Actions, Auto Orbit. There we go. And let it get warm. Wow. That's got to be great to see in the sky. That's got to be kind of freaky to look up and see. So it's not taking very long for the temperature It's actually, the temperature is rising faster than the ice melts. Oh god. It's hard to look at the night sky because everything's rotating so quickly. Hi! Oh, we're going around again. Ready? We're gonna see it again. We're gonna see it again. Hi! Let's slow things down a bit. Wow, look at that. That is sunset. That's what sunset looks like on this planet now. Let's go by the crater and look up. And that's what it looks like in the sky. Absolutely insane. Okay, well, Earth, will it actually melt? It's heating up faster than it can melt. That's just absolutely insane. Scientist, thank you, I like taters. Scientist, the Earth is hotter than ever before. Spike Viper, hold my beer. Well, I mean, we have proven global warming, we just also were the cause. We didn't even get to see the Earth when it was like the correct temperature because it was so quick. It was so quick. Okay, and anything else? Oh, geez. I don't think so. I think that's... I think the Earth is just kind of dead now. Okay, well, what now, guys? You guys are the gods of this world. You need to tell me what to do to poor Earth, which is now orbiting Beetlejuice after eating another Earth and now being spun to ridiculous speeds. Make the sun smaller. Well, you didn't specify how, so we're just going to increase the density. Sure, nothing could go wrong with that. Times 10. Oh, it doesn't seem to actually be changing anything. Like, that's really high density now, and it has not changed anything at all. Huh. How about we increase the surface temperature? Oh! Oh my god! I deleted the universe! It got so hot, it instantly vaporized literally everything. Great. That's exciting. Well, darn. That's an interesting way to end. But I think it's time to end. So with that, I hope you enjoyed getting a second video during this stream. Made you all happy. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, leave a second like, leave a third like, leave a fourth like, and I will see you all next time. And if you're on Twitch, you better hit that follow button. If you don't, Coltbot will literally eat you. He will bite into you and suck out your life. And with that, I will see you all next time. Bye. How exciting.